Hi guys, today we've got this easy wavy half up half down hairstyle. To start, I'm going to take a small slice of hair just on the left hand side of the head and create a Dutch braid. So we do this by crossing the outer sections under the middle one and then adding hair from the scalp. When I add the hair, I'm taking it from as close to that braid as possible to keep it nice and neat. And then we're going to carry on braiding this way until we reach about the ear. When you get to the ear, finish off the braid in just a regular 3-strand braid and secure it with an elastic band at the end. Now apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then really pinch and pull on the edge of the braid to make it nice and voluminous. And then simply we're going to repeat the same braid just above the first one using the same steps as before. Then add your texture spray and really pinch and pull that braid apart. Next, gather the two braids together and bring them over to the opposite side of the head and sort of look where you'd like to place them. Then we're going to take a piece of hair from the opposite side and join it to those braids. So we just gather it all together in our hands and secure it with an elastic band. Once you've done that, you can take off the elastic bands from the ends of the braids and just unravel them. Now obviously we don't want to see this little elastic band, so all we're going to do is take a small slice of hair directly underneath that elastic band, and we're going to split it in half, and then we're going to bring each half up and over the top of that braid and secure them together with another elastic band. Next, pop a couple of fingers through that little hole, twist them around so they're pointing downwards, grab hold of that little ponytail and pull it all the way through. Then tighten it up by pulling on the edges of that little ponytail underneath, and then just loosen everything up by pinching and pulling on that little twist we've just created. Then you can either keep it straight, or I've decided to do a nice loose wave by wrapping it around a curling tong. Once you've curled the entire head, we're just going to add some texture spray, and then I like to just rake my fingers through the hair to give it a softer look. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.